Impregnation of a dry surface. The easy maintenance to avoid aging. If the putty on your old window is in good condition, wash the window with water and let it dry for 24 hours. Would you rather paint at once? Wash the window with red tea alcohol. Apply the linseed oil. Heat the oil with a small iron. Wipe off the excess oil with a cloth. Does the window have dry cracks or are there leaky putty seams? Create a putty glue by mixing linseed oil and window putty. Smear the glue on the cracks. Take a coffee break for 15 minutes. Wipe clean. Putty residues disappear if they are brushed with the clean brush and pumice flour. Paint immediately or later. Soak the cloth in water and throw it in the regular dustbin.